Okay, have you been looking for a 3 to 4 bedroom home in Waterford? Well, this just might be the one. I am at 6 John Avenue here in Quaker Hill, and right here, this road right here is Route 32, heading south to Connecticut College and the Coast Guard Academy in New London. This is a Cape-style home, and we've got a one-car garage under, and we'll get you through here in no time. Above grade, we have a total of 1,696 square feet, and then there's an additional roughly 430 feet in the lower level, which is a finished basement. The home on the street card is called out as a 4-bedroom home, and I'll show you the layouts. This front area and space could easily be a den playroom, or you could do a little micro office in here. At some point, I think it had to have been maybe a porch type of an area. Right here, you have your choice of dining room here and a family room set up here. I'd have the TV right there in the corner, or you can reverse that and do a TV. I would do the TV right on that wall and do a sectional over there. So there's a little bit of flexibility there. This opening right here gives a sight line through to the front door. That's just a reach-in closet right there. These floors are new laminate that just got installed. My kitchen is in the back left of the home. These do look like marble, but they are not. This is Formica countertops, vinyl flooring right here. This door actually goes down to that finished lower level. Right here, you have a built-in ironing board. I like the little drop zone right here. Little pantry right here. Bath 1 of 2. This is a 2-bath home. So this is a stand-up stall shower. This was actually a first floor bedroom. The seller actually thought she was going to be here forever, so she brought the washer dryer up from the lower level, and that could actually be moved back down. Reach-in closet right there. We'll give you a quick peek in the back of the home. Right here, we have a deck, and you'll see this is the reason why this home will not work for VA or FHA buyers, because the deck needs staining. Some of the boards need a little bit of replacement, but you do have a nice backyard. You can see these 2 dormers right here. When we get upstairs, you'll see this bedroom right here is bedroom number 2. So walkout lower level right there, just remember that. This side entry really doesn't get used these days. Vinyl siding. A couple things on the home that did stand out to me. The vent for the dryer and the bath fan. Those 2 really should be replaced. Again, a little bit of peeling paint right there. So really appropriate for buyers that are using a conventional mortgage, not VA FHA, unfortunately. So we've already done the back right room, which is the laundry room, formerly bedroom number 3, as we've called out in the floor plan. So my stairs going upstairs, and I'm going to shoot straight back. Just remember this room right here, I'm going to go straight back. On the floor plan, I just called this area a den. This is really a sitting type of an area. Walk-in closet right there. And this is the primary bedroom right here. Headboard would go there. You could do definitely a king-size bed. We're inside of that dormer that we looked at from the rear. The left-hand dormer, when we looked up, that's this space right here. If you did want to gain another bedroom, you could put a partition right across here and then create a bedroom here. But I think that this property would be better used as shut this door, have a nice little sitting area for the primary bedroom right there, That's more appropriate. Bedroom number 2, I'm in that back left dormer. Sorry, back right dormer. So when we looked up, the dormer that was on the right, this is this space right here. And we would have one more level to show you. This home will not last long with the Waterford location, Waterford address. These stairs right here are pretty narrow. I'm going to say they're about 2 feet wide. So you can see that they're narrow set of stairs right there. Older laminate right here. You could improve on that. But this area right here, just a lower level rec room. Bedroom number 4 is right here. This is my lower level walkout. So that's underneath the deck that we were just on off the kitchen area. I'll call this a kitchenette, but guess what this used to be? Right there's your hookups. This used to be the laundry room right here, but it's been repurposed into essentially a kitchenette. And then right here, we've got a bathroom with another stall shower and a sink and vanity. So that is my full bath too. Here's my right side yard, and there's the driveway right there. Waterford residents do get to enjoy beautiful Waterford Beach. Just walked into my utility room right here. This boiler provides the heat and hot water for the home. We've got really probably decades of service here. Guys Oil has maintained this. The seller asked them, hey, do I ever need to replace this? They said, don't replace it, use it up. And they maintained this for her for decades. Oil tank is new breaker panel, and the 100 amp service right there. And here's my 1-car garage. Personal property will be coming out of here this weekend. So if you schedule a showing, it may look a little bit different than it does right now. Not all the personal property will be out, but this is available for a closing in as short as 30 days. So I would call your favorite agent and get a showing scheduled ASAP. Thank you.